Okay, I'm going to update the charts from the weekend. As the last video I made, it's clear I didn't give a fuck when I was doing it, so I'm going to atone for that here by actually offering a trade opportunity that is in front of me and to actually elaborate on my thoughts on the other pairs. So first of all, Euro Yen has a 5-wave down impulse here from 22 September through 26 September, and so far we've made a 3-wave correction from that. It's looking at this stage like it may make another move up here to make a 3-wave correction. So long as it holds beneath this high, there is a down trade here. So that is my that is one trade I'm watching for this week. Now tied into that, US dollar yen, this is my pair of main focus now. I'm looking for one high. Now I'm running two ideas here. One is obviously the bullish idea of, on the 1 hour. One is obviously the bullish idea of wave 1 into here, wave 2, and now we could have a series of 1s and 2s, which are kind of quiet and sneaky. But really, given my view on the other pair, on Euro Yen, and the way this is looking and appearing like it's about to crap out, I'm thinking we might be running in the bullish sense an expanded flat here, where we have a 5 up into here, a 3-wave correction here, and we could see a move back to about 111 for wave C of an expanded flat. So that is my bullish view here. I'm not looking for this to explode to the upside unless something unexpected happens. It is possible. The count's open to that, but given the actual movement and style, it's appearing more likely to top out. Now, if it does make a new high, that's going to change from 7 to 9, and so I will probably go with the expanded flat idea on this. So that would say if there's a new high tomorrow, for example, toward anywhere into 113 or so, it will expose it to a wave C down to about 111.50 or 111 even or so. May be able to, I was running an ending diagonal on this earlier. So something like that for an ending diagonal into a new high and a reversal tomorrow. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. But the Euro Yen trade in particular looks good. Now going to the dollar pairs. I've been running this, I've been posting all my charts on Twitter, so I'm not going to make many videos from now on, maybe just on the weekend if I feel up for it, but if I don't care to do it or I don't have any ideas, I'm not going to bother. It looks like there's been 5 down here from 20 September. So that does make it a 3-wave move so far, which is why I put 3 or C. Now, if we can find if this low can hold in tomorrow, there may be a buying opportunity, and then the up move will inform us if it's going to be wave 4, larger wave 4, or we're seeing another move up now for continuation higher. That's not clear at this stage. It is, of course, possible that this final segment of this move from 20 September may morph into something like an ending diagonal. None of that can be ruled out. A trader just has to take it as it appears on the lower time frames, at least if you're going to trade off the chart. Okay, Aussie US dollar is very similar to that. I have 5 down into here. I was trying to run an ending diagonal here today, which crapped out. So probably the best look on this, if it does continue up here, is some kind of really ugly expanding wedge, ending wedge here, and a new high, or rather a corrective move up. But again, because it's 3 waves here, there's no telling just now if this is going to be 1, 2, and 3, and then we need 4 and 5, or A, B, and C, and a move higher. But given how the daily looks, and the pattern on the lower charts, I'm going to look for an up move tomorrow if we can get a decent daily close, because the price keeps closing within prior wicks here, and it's got that kind of look to it like, okay, it's made 3 down so far, it's time for at least a bounce. So both those dollar pairs are looking like they have a chance to move higher tomorrow and maybe beyond that. Let's see as it comes. Cable, no view on this at the moment. And same with that. Other things I'm not working on just now, except maybe the idea on Bitcoin for a possible three-wave move. Let's see how that develops too. All right, bye.